All right, let's get into your market recap for Wednesday, April 8th. What a day. Okay, so the big story today, a major geopolitical development that really moved the markets. That's right, a 2-week ceasefire between the US and Iran. This was huge for market sentiment. And just look at what it did to oil. Crude futures absolutely plummeted, down a massive 16.4%. And stocks loved it. The S&P 500 shot up 2.3% on the news. And it wasn't just the S&P. We saw a really broad rally across all the major indices. This was a big deal, technically speaking. The major averages jumped back above their 200-day moving averages. But let's look at the sectors. You can really see a tale of two markets here. Industrials were the big winners, powered by airlines. Lower fuel costs meant stocks like United and Delta soared. We also saw a big jump in cruise lines, and get this, the AI trade came roaring back. Now, within the mega caps, it was a totally different story for two of the biggest names. Meta had a monster day. They unveiled their new Muse Spark AI, and the stock just took off. But then you have Tesla. It completely missed the rally, ending as the only loser in the Mag 7. Okay, let's pivot to what happened after the bell. Some interesting moves setting up tomorrow's trade. One stock in particular, STAR, Surgical, just exploded higher on some really strong guidance. Yup, up over 19% after hours. The company raised its Q1 revenue forecast well above estimates. So, what's the key takeaway? What should you be watching for tomorrow? Well, the market's attention is turning from geopolitics back to inflation, specifically Thursday's PCE data. Remember, this is the Fed's favorite inflation metric. It's a huge piece of the interest rate puzzle. So while the ceasefire news was great, tomorrow is all about that PCE report. That's the real story now.